Hi all, I am Drisha, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. We are discussing about the subject wireless sensor network. We are in our fourth unit. These are the syllabus. Fourth unit is network security. So today we will discussing about the key distribution and management. First of all, what is what is the role of key management schemes in wireless sensor network? Basically, the key management is used for data security. We transmit different kinds of data in the basis of data security. We need that data is in the highly securable. Then data is encrypted and decrypted via the use of encryption and decryption. There are two terms, encryption and decryption. It is very important in the key management schemes. Suppose the below figure is shows that original data. There is a we are transfer an original data to the sender is transfer data to a receiver. So first the original data is transfer by using encryption key. Then the original data is converted into a scrambled data. Then you that processes encryption key. That scrambled data is known as cipher test. Then the cipher test is converted into our original data by using a decryption key. That process is known as decryption. This is the main process in key management schemes in wireless sensor network. So there is an example of key management schemes, that is public key infrastructure, that is PKI. That is a popular example of a key management system, which means there is a two terms, SSL and TLS. SSL is secure socket layer and transport layer security. These are the two terms is help for the key management schemes PKI. The public key infrastructure is used in secure socket layer and transport layer security. So next is representation of wireless sensor network. This is a this is a figure. This is a figure shows the wireless sensor network. It is connected to local server, local practitioners, remote practitioners, and different kinds of monitors. And mainly here is a network is in the basic network is the basics. Then there is a base station. These are connected in different ways, and this wireless sensor is we use in our home also. Wireless sensor network is easily usable. It is not easily usable, and it is very easily monitoring and in every area. Then this is a representation of data transmission analogy. This is already discussed, which is same as plain text encryption and decryption. First one is sender. Sender is send a message to receiver. In between there is no attacker is attack our data. For you for that we using encryption and decryption and keys. So sender is transfer a plain text, that is the original data, and it is add with the encryption key, and then it is converted into cipher text, that is unreadable format of any attackers. And at the receiver is receive the cipher test, and receiver is use the decryption key, and it is converted the cipher test, add the cipher test and converted to original data, that is plain text. This is the data transmission analogy representation. Then definition of encryption and decryption. So encryption is the process of converting information or data into a code, especially to prevent unauthorized access, which means attackers. The process of converting information by using keys, that is converted into cipher text, and that it is which is used to prevent unauthorized access. And next is decryption. It is the cipher text is converted to original data. The conversion of encrypted data into its original form is called decryption. Then there is some classifications of management key management schemes. First one is symmetric and asymmetric. Then random key and deterministic key. Next one is distributed key and hierarchical key. Symmetric and asymmetric key is based on crypto system, which is the which type of, in the encryption and decryption we are using the same key, that is known as symmetric key management scheme. And asymmetric key management scheme is if we are using a key for a key unique key for unique key for encryption and another different key for decryption, that is asymmetric. Then random key and deterministic key, then distributed key, it's are based on network topology, based on key distribution method, random key and deterministic key. So this is the representation of symmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption is using same key. The encryption of ABC is the plain text, it is encrypted using same key and converted to a cipher text, that is again using the same key, then it is then it is converted to original data, that no processes decryption, then we get the ABC again. So this is the symmetric encryption. Asymmetric is if we using encryption for recipient's public key and decryption for recipient's private key. Using encryption and decryption, both are different keys are using for conversion. This is the difference of symmetric and asymmetric key encryption. Then next is random key management. In the random key management, sensor nodes get their keys from the key pool or multiple keys from key space by random sampling. We are choosing randomly a key. Then there is some advantages and disadvantages. There exist part of useless key information in the sensor nodes. If we using random keys, that is we did not understand, we do not know that is its use or useless, that is then at disadvantages. Then other key management systems are deterministic and distributed key and hierarchical key management. Thank you.